Okay, if you watch the first tutorials, you remember I said I want to show you this part. So this is me showing you this part. Let's do it. I want to make this short as possible. So yeah, because it's not part of it, but it is part of it. I don't know. I always say things I don't even understand myself. So yeah, first thing first, let's try to get x. By the way, x is negative. X is equal to negative x. This x is a negative. It's because it's on a negative axis. I should have wrote this a long time ago before I started with this. And y is y. For now, you know, you understand it. But we're looking for the real value. That we can, not real value, but the values that can correspond into us getting that. Cost blah blah blah. So let's do it. I hate talking. Let's do it. Sine. First and first is sine 1. If you've watched the first tutorials, you understand what I'm doing. If you have not, I highly recommend you to go back to the first tutorials and watch them, because you won't understand. Like, if you are not working with us, I don't know, cause I don't even have time, because it's YouTube. It's not like 45 minutes. Like, I'm giving 45 minutes. Let me even check the time. I'm not even giving 45 minutes. I'm giving like 5 minutes. Not like I just don't want to make these things boring. That's why I'm giving myself 5 minutes. Like, I want you guys to be like, yo, that was the boringest tutorial of ever. So oh yeah, it's x. I said this part is just negative x, right? Negative x. This one is positive y. Yep, this is it. No. Yep. Whatever right there, it's right, but here it's just y over x. I forgot the sign. Y over 1. And then we have to turn this. I'm not sure if is it therefore. Yeah, I think it's therefore. Then sine, this is in a positive quadrant. It's in quad 2. In quad 2, sine is positive. As I say, I highly recommend you guys to watch the first tutorials, because I've explained, like, there's a whole lot of tutorial videos that I've explained this thing. But if you guys are cool with it, if you know it, thank you. Let's just continue. This is it. This is why we get this thing. So therefore, let's just write therefore here. Therefore, this is the answer. This is y. This is equals to y. And then let's erase it, because yep, why should we still leave it? This is how we get it. If you watch the first tutorials, you understand it. Bear with me. If I'm moving so fast, well, it's because you need to watch the first tutorials. And if I'm aggressive, I told you, if I'm aggressive, you can just vote me out. Like, yo, I don't like this kid. This kid doesn't even make things clear. It just make things worse. So now we're doing cos. I know today I'm in my mood. I wake up bad. I kept feeling bad. I told you from now on I'm a mean teacher, because I think my ratings will go low. Because this is not Trevor Noah's show or Montgomery's show. This is a math show. I should make a balance. For like choosing, you wanna be funny, or you wanna be doing schoolwork. You should make an extensive. Oh my god, I think I need to pause this to just tell this girl, just shut. You know what? Let's just continue. Let's just be positive. Continue, because I'm down with this one, and I'll have to end it and then do another one. Yeah, I'll end it. Then we'll continue. That's gonna be like a long series, but if we both know this one is negative at the second quad, and I won't even draw a graph here. Like, I won't do that. I've drawn a graph like a whole lot of times. There's no time of drawing a graph and blah blah blah. And I'm trying to, like, like improvise my voice because somebody was talking. So negative times negative. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive negative. I don't think we need to even emphasize that point anymore. If somebody's like angry, why am I not explaining these things anymore? Watch the first tutorials. This is it. This is equal to x. This is how they get this thing. This is how I know a lot of text explanation. That's and a lot of you people don't even understand. Like, how come? Like, they just told us like, yo, like, it's so sad, you know. It's like, wow, like these people didn't even cater to us. Like, oh, like, you know. So we now have. Mm, um, this is it. So this is how we got to these two things right here and here. In the next tutorial, we'll be continuing with the distant formula. Don't forget, we're still doing compound angles. And if you feel like you don't understand anything, go to Nangota's website. And if you're not a greedy person, tell your friend about it. Don't be selfish, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Let me check the timer. They said I shouldn't speak too much. They said I should be me. So if you're feeling like I'm boring nowadays, call them and tell them, yo, we want that. We don't want that homie back. Like, yo, we want him back because you know what I'm saying. I get it. I'm whispering, but they probably hear it. But it's super whisper. I'm kidding. Bye.